I have this long list of my customers in this Google Sheet and I want to send a new sale offer to all these customers on WhatsApp with an image attached like this on their WhatsApp numbers. So now here sending WhatsApp message is another thing, but I want to send the WhatsApp message using a safe technique so that there is no risk of getting blocked or spammed. So now here I am going to use an amazing WhatsApp broadcast technique using which I can send this bulk WhatsApp message to all these contacts in just one click at the same time, that too with no risk of getting blocked or spammed. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to send this WhatsApp broadcast message using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. Or else if you want a demo for the same, select this demo option, and if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. Just type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now you have to sign in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch all the tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch all the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. But before moving to the WhatsApp broadcast section, let me tell you that I am going to use a message template to send this bulk WhatsApp messages. And for that I've already created a message template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. Yes, you heard it right. So now here I'm going to use a template message, but if you want to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so to begin with the process, firstly let me show you the template that I already have inside my template section. Here you can see number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and from here this is my particular template that I have created. So this is the message that I've drafted with an image attached over here. Also you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. So now here if you want to learn how you can create this template in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so now here after creating the template, let's move towards the broadcast section. And under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sentence, scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, you're going to click on the add button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast window. From here, firstly we're going to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast name I'm going to give the name as new travel offer. Okay, so this is the broadcast name. Then comes the contact list. Here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, as you know that I'm going to send the WhatsApp messages to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. And in order to send the WhatsApp messages to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Pabbly Chatflow account first. So to create new contacts, select this contact section available over here. And under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of some existing contact list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. And here if you want to add the single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for your data. And as you know that I have my contact data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. And once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here. Click on this add contact button and multiple contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Once you have the contact, you can create a separate contact list for the same. I'm going to use an existing list for now. You can add multiple lists as well. Okay, then comes the refine audience. Firstly, here you can exclude some contacts whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast message. You can exclude the contacts through contact list, or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Not only this, you can also exclude some contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Okay, then comes the message type. You can see two options. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular message, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, add some details, and in the right side you can have a preview of your template. Okay, so for now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. This is my template, and here it is asking me for the file URL. Here I'm going to select the file that I've already uploaded, and then we're going to click on this done. You can see this is my template. Also, let me tell you that you can make this message personalized by adding variables as per your requirement. For now I've used a basic template. Then here it is asking me to test my broadcast. That means before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to see how it is going to be sent to all my contacts. So for that I'm going to add my own username over here and my number. Then you're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. You can see a new message has been received over here just right now. So with this we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then here it is asking us to schedule our broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. So once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have the data of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend this broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without getting blocked or spammed. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.